Will anyone be able to tell that I've had this treatment done? So what I tell clients, the first thing I tell them when they walk in here and they talk to any one of us is, hey, look at our heads. Can you tell? And most of them are surprised and they say, whoa, I didn't even know you've had it done. Of course I've had it done, right? So that's why I'm here. But, that leads me to the answer of this question, which is, if you've had this done by the right artist and company, then nobody will be able to tell that you've had anything done. It'll look like real hair follicles. Now, if you've had this done by someone not as experienced, and it looks like a tattoo on your head, then yes, those situations, you guys can Google it, those are out there. But yeah, you'll be able to tell that this was done. So it's really important that you do your homework, you choose the right company, do your due diligence, and make sure you find the right artist that you're comfortable with and the right look that you're comfortable with.